thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Albany to 9 miles north of Greenfield, moving east at 40 miles per hour. There are several areas of weak rotation within the line. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat.
Yeah, it's 399.
Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage.
Oh, 70 miles per hour in Delaware. Thunderstorm advisory in Blackford counties, only 40 miles per hour. Amateurs.
Winchester, Yorktown, Union City, Chesterfield, Albany, Eaton, Daleville, Parker City, Farmland, Lynn, Selma, Bridgetta, Markville, Kennard, Sulphur Springs, Moreland, and Mount Summit. This includes the following highways: Interstate 69 between mile markers 226 and 235. Interstate 70 between mile markers 127 and 133.
You can imagine what I was
A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for central and east-central Indiana. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Delaware, Hancock, Henry, Madison, and Randolph.
Boy.
This is Noel.